Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can see all participants in Google Meet Grid View. So the first thing that you will have to do is join a meeting if you haven't joined any meeting yet, and you will just have to wait for it to load. And once you're inside a meeting, what you will have to do is you will look for more options, which is right here, and then just go ahead and click adjust view. And now what you will have to select is tiled, which is right here. And basically, all participants will appear in a grid like this. And you can just adjust the number of tiles using the slider for more or fewer participants. So it really depends on you. And yeah, that's basically just it. Grid view is really great for large meetings so that you will be able to see everyone at once. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.